think I've talked to you guys in today's vlog yet. Today is literally just another Saturday where I'm home alone. I have a lot of stuff I need to get around the house done, but I just uploaded my last video, which was titled How I Make My Thumbnails plus Washi Disaster. So if you haven't seen that, go watch it because it's one of my better vlogs, I'd say, at least recently. But yeah, I kind of am stumped. I keep doing vlogs because it's kind of like all I have to do. As far as like ideas, those are the only ideas I have. So comment down below what videos you want to see from me. Like if you want to see more DIY stuff, more planner stuff, more art stuff. To be perfectly honest, I've been in such a drawing and creative rut, mostly because my shop isn't doing so well, and so I'm not inspired or motivated to draw. It's just so sad because I used to draw like every day, whether it was for my shop or not. I would draw for myself, but I've not even been motivated to draw for myself recently. For a shop update, perfectly honest, I haven't gotten any orders since I opened, which isn't really surprising to me because I lost my old clientele and I can't find a new one no matter how hard I try. So I don't have money for a new printer and I can't tell you when I will. So if you're hanging on to the thought of buying stickers from me, that's bad news for you because I just don't even know if it's gonna happen anymore. But yeah, it's just, daily struggles in my life right now. Like, everything that I want seems to be just out of reach. It's funny, my boss the other day, he's not actually my boss, he's my team leader. He's one of the people that is in charge of me some of the time. He called me over and he's like, what's your deal? Like, why don't you work here more? You're such a good worker. And it's like, I explained to him that I had this Etsy shop and it was making me an income and I worked from home and I could set my own hours, and I told him that I don't like to be vulnerable, but for some reason I was very vulnerable with him, and I told him that I had a really bad anxiety, especially related to work, and the fact that I don't have my license because I am so scared of driving. Whenever I am at work, I feel trapped because I have no way of getting home except to rely on another person, which is my husband. And so he was actually very understanding and kind of, I think it clicked, and he finally kind of like understood me and understood my situation, and he was actually so kind, and he was talking about how his brother has this company and that he's gonna talk to him and see if I could work there because they do like graphic design. I don't know if they do I don't know. He was trying to explain it. I don't really understand it, but he has a very successful company here in my hometown. I'm probably not gonna end up working there just because I don't have a means to get there. I don't have transportation. The reason why I work where I do is because my husband works there, and that's where we met. It's just way too convenient to work there right now because I don't have to have a license to work. I can just carpool with my husband. And I only work about 3 days a week, and 2 of my shifts aren't even full shifts, they're half shifts. And it's honestly, I wish I could work more, I wish I could make more money, but I am just too mentally not okay to work away from home more than I do, which is pathetic, and it makes me feel like a loser. I talk to my husband about it all the time, thinking like, oh, I need to work more, I need to get better, I need to suck it up. And then like, as every time I have that talk with him, the next day I have like a terrible day, and I like am in the mindset of like, I don't ever want to go back to work again. I want to stay home. I want to work from home eventually. I would love to be a stay-at-home mom, but that's probably not in the cards for me. And so yeah, it's tough to be in a situation where like, how good it is to work from home. How like, that feeling of like setting your own time, setting your own schedule. I mean, it's not easy. Like some days I would work like over 14 hours, But then the next day I could work 3, you know, like it was just kind of cool to work at my own pace, which was still very often, but like I was home and I was in my own environment and I didn't feel trapped. So yeah, it's hard to go from that situation to a situation where I work for a very like big corporate business, and it's a pretty like nonsensical job. Like it's so easy. My job isn't hard at all. It's physically hard, but like mentally and emotionally my job is so easy. But it's just the environment of this corporate place that I work for is horrible, and all the higher ups in my company, I have like no respect for any of them because they're all just bigots, to be honest. But yeah, this is just kind of a random conversation that I didn't think I would have in today's vlog, but I thought I would kind of let you guys know what's been going on in my life and in my shop and how I'm feeling about it, because I'm not feeling great, to be honest, but like I've definitely felt worse in the past, but I just don't know where to go from here. Like I've been in this rut for like 2.5 years now, and I can't seem to find a way out of it. So yeah, if you have any words of encouragement for me, that would be highly appreciated. The fact that I clean this mirror every week is pretty sad, because whenever I vlog, you can never tell, but I do clean this mirror like every week. But yeah, today I've just kind of been cleaning the house a lot. As you could tell, I'm washing our sheets, and yeah, I've just been cleaning. I've cleaned even more off camera. The reason why is Saturday is like a big cleaning day for me, like in my husband and I's part of the house. Like that's the day that I catch everything up. I pick up everything every day, like any kind of mess that we make or my husband makes. I usually clean that up at the end of the day, but like the deep like cleaning I usually do on Saturdays, because it's like my one full day off that I have home alone. And so because my parents are gone, I've also been cleaning other parts of the house, as you could just see. Plus we also might be having some people over tonight, so I want the house to not look like a wreck. Even though it's not our house, I want it to seem like we're capable of taking care of a house, because we are. So yeah, I've just kind of been cleaning on and off camera all day. It's just turned noon, and I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. My husband does not get off until 7, so I'm going to be so bored. I know I'm probably going to watch Outlander. I've already watched Outlander all the way through, and I didn't finish it that long ago, and I'm already watching it again because I love it that much. I'm in season 2 right now, and I'm taking it much slower this time around than the first time around. Just because I want to milk it out because I love it so much. But yeah, other than that, I have no idea what else I'm going to do today. So this might actually be the end of the vlog. I know I'm really bad at ending the vlogs. My last 3, I don't even think I've ended. So I'm gonna try to end it here. My husband and I might go to a like pumpkin festival tomorrow. So if we go, I'll insert some footage if I get any. I think I'm gonna call it quits here. So yeah, sorry if this one was super boring. I'm in kind of a blah mood and I don't really want to be home alone all day, but I don't really have a choice. So yeah, that's just how it goes some days. But I hope you guys are all having a wonderful week and a wonderful fall season. And thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, I feel so bad for you actually. But seriously, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.